Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Dropbox for freelance file sharing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Dropbox website or open the Dropbox app on your device. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your Dropbox homepage, which displays your files and folders. To upload files, locate the Upload button, typically found on the right side of the screen. You will have the option to upload files or entire folders. Select the files or folders you wish to share. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload is finished, find the uploaded file or folder in your list. To share a file or folder, hover over it and click the Share button. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the freelance collaborators you want to invite. You can also add a personalized message if you wish. Choose the sharing permissions by selecting either Can Edit or Can View. Click the Send button to share the link. Once shared, your collaborators will receive an email notification with access to the files. You can manage sharing permissions at any time by returning to the sharing settings. For large files, consider using Dropbox File Request feature. This allows clients to send files directly to your Dropbox without needing an account. To create a file request, go to the File Requests section in Dropbox. Click on the New Request button and fill in the required details. Share the generated link with your clients, inviting them. You can track all requests and submissions within this section. Communication is key, so consider using the comments feature on shared files for discussions. This keeps your feedback and responses organized and easily accessible. Finally, regularly backup important files and folders to avoid loss of data. Utilize Dropbox version history to revert changes if necessary. This ensures you maintain control over your freelance projects efficiently. With these steps, you can effectively use Dropbox for seamless file sharing in your freelance work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.